Today we are on a dairy farm behind Hoekwil in the Western Cape, and behind me we have a 120 kilowatt peak ground mounted solar array with 216 550 watt panels. Those are connected to a container that has a 100 kVA ATES HPS 100 hybrid inverter and a Freedom 1 high voltage 180 battery. The size of the system is according to the 100 kVA Eskom transformer and the way that the dairy operates. We are utilizing the battery for the peak periods early in the morning and late afternoon, early evening. And during the day, when the sun is shining so beautifully and the dairy is non-operational, the solar panels are actually feeding back into the Eskom grid. Behind me is one of our containerized solutions, which we then build and factory test and then bring out on a truck and drop it directly onto site. So everything is inside the container, easy to lock up and kept safe. Behind me is the inverter, the 100 kVA ATES HPS inverter. That is a hybrid inverter charger, and that is connected to the Freedom 1 180 high voltage battery that we are utilizing for the storage capacity within the system. With all electrical equipment and especially solar equipment, the cooler you can keep the equipment, the more efficient it is. So within our insulated containerized solution, we also have an air conditioner which is constantly working with the system to keep everything cool. We have just finished our sign-off with Eskom, and they will be programming the meter and changing the account for the client so that they can get the benefit of the feedback into the Eskom grid.